Hello, and welcome to FEFT and more. Glad to be with you. As always, bringing fresh new tips for your English fluency here at Fantastic English Fluency Tips. It is our goal to give you the newest and the most useful tips on the shelf. So, this shelf is not too high. The cookies are within reach. So, stay tuned in and you'll find out what the tips for you are today. Today we're going to be talking about my, mine. These are pronouns that are sometimes a little bit difficult to know when to use correctly. But I'm going to give you some illustrations that will help this be very clear for you so that you can say them, use them in a very fluent way next time the situation arises for you. Now, for example, let's have a little bit of a dialogue here. Please look at the sentences on the board while I read them. You know, my dog isn't as friendly as your dog. Then the friend says in regards to that, don't be ridiculous. Yours is much friendlier than mine. Here we have the word mine. It is showing possession without using a noun after it. If you have a noun after it, we would be using the my in a different position. For example, look at this sentence. Is this red pen yours? No. My pen is blue. The red pen's not mine. Once more, is this red pen yours? No, it's not my pen. My pen is blue. You see, my pen is blue. Or you could say, the blue pen is mine. There's no noun after that pronoun, you see. If you're using my, then you need to have a noun following it. All right, let's use another example. All right. You know, my car is new and his is old. So then someone might ask you about, oh, which car is yours? The new car is mine. Because my car is new. So the new one is mine. You see? We use those sentences in that way to illustrate whose car it is or which car is whose, you see. Now look here at this little illustration. Which notebook is yours? Oh, my notebook is the red one. Oh, I see. Which notebook is yours? The red one is mine. You see? Or the red notebook is mine. But the note, it's very clear that we're talking about the notebook, so we don't normally repeat the subject over and over in a sentence or a paragraph, because it is very clear what the thing or person or situation is that is being spoken about. You see? Well, let me provide you with a few questions to illustrate what we're talking about here. Let's go to the illustration of the pens again. Pens are easy to talk about, locate, and hold and have in your possession, aren't they? So we have a blue pen and a red pen. Let me form a question. Excuse me, which pen is yours? The red pen is mine. or to illustrate using my. Excuse me, is this your pen? No, my pen is red. Or, which pen is yours? The red pen is mine. Very good. And those are illustrations of how to use the pronoun my and mine. They're the possessive forms. My house is small. Is the big house yours? No, it's not mine. My house is small, as I said. Are you getting the relation there? Okay, tell me about your house, or your yard, or your car, or your favorite color. Okay, I'll talk to you again soon. I hope this was a help to you. It's short, sweet, and very much to the point, isn't it? Please look at other videos about connecting words, connecting phrases, connecting sentences for fluency. And tell me, which playlist do you like the best? I'll be waiting for your comments and suggestions and requests if you have any for things that you would like to learn. And yes, of course, thank you, new subscribers. Thank you for repeated viewers. I'm so glad that I can be giving you tips and that these are useful for you in your English fluency journey. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, turn on the likes. And please do turn on your notification buttons so you'll be getting the new ones when I put them up. Bye for now. Do repeat the playlists, repeat, and strengthen your fluency power. See you on the next one. Bye, and yes, do take care.